Hello all, welcome back. So today we will see another interview question. So in this question we will be given a string. Let's say it's hello, and what we have to do is to reverse the string. So let's say if the input is hello, then the output or the reverse, it should print the reverse of that string. Okay, so the output should be OLLEH. So yeah, this should be the output. So let's do the coding for this. I will create a new class and let's call this a reverse string. Check the main method and finish. So let's take the string s equals say hello. Okay, and now we will take another string and name it as a reverse, and we will use this particular variable to store the reverse value. So now we will have to create a for loop and iterate it in a reverse manner. So the syntax will be for int I equals s dot length -1 till I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. So guys, this is a reverse for loop, and what we will do is that we will extract each character value at the index I and we will store it in reverse. So once this particular loop is completed, we can go ahead and print the reverse value. So let's run this code and check if it is running as expected. So yeah, you can see the string is printed in a reverse manner. So let me write down reverse value is, and then plus. So yeah, it's working as expected. So also I will show you how this thing works. So let's say we have the word hello. So how the indexing is done is that h will have a value of 0, e will have a value of 1, and so on. And what our loop is doing, it's iterating from 4 till 0. So first, when the loop will run, it will check for the character value at index 4 and it will extract the value O. For the second time it will take L, third time L, then E, and then H. So this is how the whole thing works over here. Okay, then thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.